Now let's look at salutations, or better known as greetings. First thing, remember that these should be formal. You're going to start your emails with Dear Mr. or Mrs. and then the last name of your teacher. Never use first names unless it's a friend. And always make sure that you're using capitals. So let's look at some examples. Here's a bad greeting. Yo, teach, what's up? So I want you to think about what would be a better greeting and how you would fix this. So a better greeting would be something like Dear Mrs. Carlson. Let's look at another bad example. What's up, Mr. Mixdorf? Okay, I want you to think about what would be a better way to word this. A better way would be something like Dear Mr. Mixdorf. So now you guys are going to practice fixing some greetings.